Yep, just missed that. Didn't have the camera on. The colour's lovely. Three guys in the tree at the top there. I'm not pointing at them because they don't like that. I've got no seagulls. What's going on? They were jumping on the ball yesterday. What I do is I just chuck some suet behind me. Talk to myself, stand in the park. Yeah, it's feeding suet to the park channel. Here we go. No, it's just going to a different tree. Maybe they're after the peanuts. I've got some favourite sausage, but normally we're having a battle of seagulls. Let's put some behind me. Oh, drop some on my shoes. I've got pasta. I don't know if they go for pasta. I went in the seagulls previously. Oh. Dollop. Still. Oh. I probably didn't catch that. I think they're waiting for the sausages. Maybe. Uh-oh. There's a seagull. Oh, straight up in the air. Go on, fella. Got it. Stand up, level horizon, for goodness sake. Oh, the other three aren't paying attention. Come on. Oh. Did he leave with some... Oh, so he's got sausage. That one's got pasta. Right. It's behind me, guys. Only 3 seagulls? That seems weird. Wait. What about sausage roll? Rustling noises. Uh-oh. How many seagulls is a flock of seagulls? Is it like 5? Or 3? You know, once it's like 15 you'd say it's a flock, wouldn't you? Oh, these guys are not paying attention. Seagulls are, for goodness sake. Oh! What's going on? Are we seeing off seagulls? Oh, really? Seagulls are getting the sausage roll, guys. Come on. Oh, is it because I've got the bag on the wrong arm? That's what makes it look like I'm walking away. Uh-oh. Straight in the seagull. Oh, look at that. Near the dog-tube Araby, which we use as a landmark. Oh, look, there's that much sausage roll left. Oh. Guys. Now I'm walking forward. If that guy stays there, I can just bowl him that much sausage roll. See what you think? Oh, look. He's going a long way back. Just have a look here. Oh dear. It's going to be seagull. Now the bag makes sense. Now he's walking away. Oh, we fed the seagulls. Crows weren't on the ball at the time.